Hello again to another episode of this game. We are winning. My cheat code is ready. This time we have a word of 3 letters. This time it took I don't have the code. So let's try by luck. Let's guess. I found another cheat code that have 3 words. Let's try echo. Wrong, but it have an O. So their word is not here. I was searching for a word with 3 letters that have O in the Binance article and I found OTC. So let's try it. And it's invalid word. Why? It have an O. But nothing happened. OTC. Please try again. Maybe a connection problem. Okay, let's try it. OTC. Wrong. Let's try ICO. It will be wrong. Then it must be PO or POS. Proof of stake. And yes, congratulations. This word does not exist in the cheat code, so congratulations. Added it to your keywords.